loves, and welcome back to Simply Bria. It's your girl Jabria here, y'all, and I'm back with a different type of video. So this video, as you can see from the title, is going to be like a huge collective haul, but it's going to be featuring like apartment items. So some of you guys may know, some of you may not know, but I'm basically going to be moving to my other apartment with my roommate, and so yeah, I just had to get quite a few things, and I thought I might as well give you guys a haul just for stuff that you can add into your add to your home, or maybe if you're moving, stuff that you may not know you needed but you need for real, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a haul. This is featuring items from Amazon, Burlington's, Marshalls, and I think that's the main three places. I did order some stuff from the Shein, like homeware for your house, but it has not come in yet, so I'm just going to be featuring these items. So yeah, if you guys are interested, please stay tuned, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so yeah, let's hop right into the video. So the first items I want to show you guys are like meal prep containers, and I did get this particular one from Home Goods, but Amazon also has some good ones. So these are the size that I got from Home Goods or Marshalls, whatever you want to call it. And this is just like the one container one. Maybe this is not the video. This is the one container. It just fits one thing. There's no compartments in it. I hope you guys can see it. If not, I'll try to do a close up. So yeah, and this is the brand I got. Sharper Image, I guess that's the brand. But you know, all of them pretty much to me work the same. But yeah, I just thought it was a great investment to get like glass meal prep containers, because the plastic ones just don't last as good. They hold the smell and you have to throw them away after a while. But with the glass ones, you can do a lot with it. It doesn't hold it as much. It's easier to clean. You can put it, it's freezer safe, microwave safe, oven safe. It's like everything safe. Here it is: freezer safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe. You can pretty much put this anywhere and it's gonna be good. I also got a different brand as well from Marshalls. It's called the Vanderbilt. I don't know if I can see that. But yeah, I did like a price comparison, and for like the single non-divided containers, is pretty much the same price as on Amazon. But the divided, if you want like 2 compartments or 3 compartments, it is better in my opinion to get it off Amazon. I just noticed that the price range was much better for the number of items that you're getting. So the first ones, and I will link all of the Amazon items down below. But as for the other pieces, I just went in store and bought them. So if you go to your local Burlington's or Marshalls, or even online, you can find these same pieces. And if I find it online, I will link it as well. But yes, so I ordered some ones off of Amazon. So I did order this 2 container one. This is from the brand Mirco, something like that. And this is a good size in my opinion for me when I do my 2-dish meal prep. This is like for the side and then the main dish, and so I do think it's a good size. And yeah, it came with 5 in a pack for like $25 to $30, so it was not bad at all. And I also got some that were I don't know what brand this is from, but it has 3 compartments. So I'm guessing this is the main dish and then the 2 compartments. At first I looked at it and I thought maybe it was a little bit smaller than I intended for it to be, but I think this is enough food because I eat small proportions anyway. So for me, this is enough, but I think they may have had a size bigger than this, or this may have been the bigger size. I can't remember. I may put it on the screen or down below, but to me this is still a good size, and I like how it's divided into 3 compartments. And this one did come with like various colors, so I thought that was really cute. It comes with like all the colors basically, variety. So yeah, moving on from the meal prep containers. Sorry y'all, I have stuff just right, everything's right here. Moving on from the meal prep containers, I got these little just glass wine glasses. This was on sale for $5. It was regular $10 at Burlington's, baby, I was like, I'll take it for discount if it's a dented box. Okay. But yeah, I don't really drink wine, but I don't know, everybody needs wine glasses and they're $5. They're very cute. It's just the aesthetic, you know. So yeah, I got that. Another thing that I got from Amazon was this utensil set. Again, I will link it below, but I just thought this utensil set was so cute. I don't really want to take it all out of the container because it's packaged very nicely, I might add. But I kind of want to show you guys, so I'm gonna see if I can just slide it out. Basically, it comes with this stand to hold it in. Do y'all see that? No. It comes with the stand to hold it in, so I thought that was very cute. And I like how, y'all, I'm all over the place, but I want to keep it packaged for when I'm moving. But yeah, so this is how one of the items look. I like how it's first red because that's kind of like my kitchen aesthetic, and I do like how it has this little silver in here, so I thought that was very good, and it just adds a different touch. It makes it look a little bit more expensive in my opinion. So yeah, again, I got that off Amazon. It was like, I think that was only like $20 actually. And I do like how you don't have to throw it in a drawer, you know. You can put it in a cup and it looks nice, you know, if you sit it on your counter. If you're not into sitting it on your counter, then of course you don't have to, but that was kind of like what I intended to do with mine, was sit it on the counter. So yeah, that's definitely something. And it's really better to get a whole set because like 3 of these little like kitchen spoons are like $8, and I got this whole thing for $20, and it comes with like 15 different kitchen utensils. So it's definitely a better buy if that's what you're looking for. I would definitely recommend. Next, I just got these Command stickies. I know Command hooks everyone knows about, but I'm not too sure if many people know about Command stickies. I know I didn't at first, but this is basically for anything flat. It's really good. Oop, focus. We're right here. She's right here. But yeah, for anything flat, Command stickies are great for putting up items. So like I put items up, like my picture frames, my like really skinny lightweight mirror, I hung up with these. And so I got this pack off Amazon. It was a really good deal. I don't even know if it was supposed to come with this many, but it was only like $10, and I think in store like a 4 to 6 pack may be almost that price. But this one comes with like smaller Command stickies. Oh, I forgot. So it is 4, because I forget you have to. I forgot how to work these. Oh, you have to double them. So yeah, it comes with the smaller ones and the larger ones. I think it was like 8 and 8, and so that was a good deal for only $10. And so I did pick up 2 packs of those, but I may need more. But I was like, I'll just start with that for right now, and if I need to buy more, just go to the store and order it again. So yeah, again, I got those off Amazon. Another thing is these shoe section organizers that you hang up in your closet. Y'all see that? Please ignore my nails, y'all. They're not done. But yeah, I had some of these last time and I got white, but of course, you know, after a few years you really have to throw those away. And I do have on the top, so woosah. But yeah, you do have to throw them away. So I found this 24 section one, and I thought this was a really good size, and for the price I think it was like $20. But if you look at the like 8 section one, it's like $10. So this is definitely a better deal, and they did have these in multiple colors, so I thought that was very nice. And yeah, I definitely recommend if you have the closet space. If you don't really have the closet space, then maybe you should like get a shoe rack, or like maybe hang it on the back of your door. They have different ones, but this is just the one that I like the best because I can see my shoes easily. So yeah, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up if you have not already. Another thing was just a little kitchen tray drawer organizer is what it's called. I ordered mine from Amazon. Of course, they have them in Burlington's, Marshall's. I didn't notice much in the price range. I think this one was $10, but at Burlington's, Marshall, they're like from $10 to $12, so it still wasn't bad price. But yeah, I just decided it's kind of dirty though, baby. what was Amazon doing before they sent this package? But yeah, I just decided I want it clear, and for it to have the rubber, that makes it just easier. Yeah, I don't know what Amazon was doing, but they did not wipe this down. It's not cracked, is it? Yeah, I can't tell if this is cracked or not, but at this point, it's kind of gonna be what it's gonna be. I think it is cracked, but I may take it back, I may not. Either way though, I don't like how it all comes with gray and this one doesn't. Like, I don't get the effect. You get what I'm saying? Like, I still want to put stuff there, so I just got to put on the glass. Like, I don't know, but it was only $10, so it wasn't bad. But again, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I don't really like how it looks cracked and it's missing one. But I'll still link it just in case you guys are interested. I'll link it below. But yeah, everybody needs one of these, of course, for your silverware. Another set that I got from where did I get this from? Burlington's, was like this pan set for baking. And this one actually comes with the smaller one as well as the bigger one. And for $10, I just think that's a really good deal. It's a glass pan. You really can't beat that price. This is by the Libby brand. And you can put this, oh, I didn't know you put these in the microwave. But yeah, dishwasher, freezer, microwave, oven. You know, it's glass. So I just had to pick one of these up because you definitely need one of these. Any staple. It's kind of like getting pots and pans. You really need a bake set. So yeah, I definitely picked this up from Burlington's for only $10. Get your hands on it. Next, y'all, I got this huge air fryer, and I ended up getting this one from Marshall's, and it was only $70. And so I did try to look it up on Amazon, but I couldn't tell if it was the exact same one, but it looked very similar. And they were going for, like, the cheapest I saw on Amazon was $70, but it looked like it was a smaller version. So for one that looked like to be about this size, I think it was like $100 something on Amazon. So I would definitely recommend picking it up from your local Marshalls and whoever else may sell just this type of stuff. But yeah, so this is the one that I got. It's really heavy, but yeah, you know, air fryers just make it so much easier. I would say especially if you're a college student and you want like quick meals, but also like just for any adult, maybe they have families and they just want quick meals for their kids, whatever. I definitely think the air fryer is great. And this one actually comes with a recipe cookbook, and so that's also good because you can try out some of the meals and like know what to cook in here. But I've heard people cook, of course, like chicken, what else do people cook? Salmon, I've heard people cooking here. Fries, of course, anything that you would fry usually. So yeah, I definitely want to try like cooking chicken in here, salmon and shrimp. And it's like not as messy, it's easy to clean. So I'm definitely excited to try this. And I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys some of the other stuff I got. I showed it in my vlog, but everybody don't watch the vlog, so I'm gonna show it here. I won't show everything that I got, but I will show like some of the stuff that I feel like you guys can benefit off of. So I don't know if every state has it at home, but it's basically like a decor store here in Houston in Texas, and they sell really nice items as well. So I ended up getting this studio ceramic, I think that's how you say it, dinnerware set, and I thought it was really nice. It's a 16-piece set. Okay, because the Canon taking too long to focus on it, baby, and your girl arm hurt. But yeah, so this basically comes with the large dinner plates as well as the salad plates, and then the bowls as well as the mugs. So I think it's 4 of each, so I thought that was a really good price. Again, on Amazon, I will link, if I find the ones I was looking at, I'll link the ones that were similar. They're pretty much similar price. I think I paid $25 for this. On Amazon it was $23, but I was like, you know, I'm already in the store, I might as well just pick them up. But yeah, Amazon definitely has pretty much similar ones. They have them individually boxed, but yeah, so I went ahead and picked this up. This is definitely a staple, especially if you're just moving in to your place. You might as well invest in like nice ones, you know. And of course, if you want to get like plastic ones from Dollar Tree or whatever, that's still an option, but you want good quality. And then I got this just little knife set from where did I get this from? Burlington's. It was only $5 for the two. Again, I think if you're a college student or like just moving into your first place, this should work just fine until you know, need the bigger cooking knife set. But honestly, when I was cooking these first 2 years, I only used the same knife, my favorite knife. So I really don't know if you need a whole knife set. I think that's more so just for the aesthetic and the looks. But this is, I think, a good starter, and it's only $5. This is another thing I got from, I got this from the Dollar Tree actually. It's just like the shelf liner that you line your shelves with. Either in your kitchen or your bathroom you can do it. Of course, this is not as much, but it's only $1 again. But I did see some at Burlington's for like $6, and it looked more heavy duty, and yeah, like it was just more of it, and it was only $6. So I definitely would recommend, like I said, again, especially if you're a college student and you're moving into a place that other people lived in before, or even just a regular apartment. If somebody else lived in there before you, you know, you can clean down and everything. But for me, I just like to have that extra, you know, that extra layer, just to make sure that you know, everything is staying clean and stuff. So yeah, I got these from Dollar Tree. And then I also picked up these canisters from, where did I get these from? Now my tape coming off. I got this from Burlington's, I think. It was only $10. So yeah, I did also see these at Home Goods, I think. But Home Goods had it for $13, and I think at Home had it for like $13 to $15. So Burlington was definitely the best price for it. This one, they showed it having like cookies and different snacks. But I think what I'm going to use it for is like for sugar, flour, that kind of thing. And then if I have extra ones, I may put something else in it. But yeah, you can basically use it for whatever you want to use it for. Let's see if we can open it up so I can see how it looks. I should have asked for money off, y'all, because this box a little in it too. It's a little in it. Oh yeah, but this is a good size. So yeah, you can use it for anything. I don't really know what I'll put in this big one. I don't really know. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all would put in it. Maybe chips or something, but it's kind of like, you don't know when the chips will get stale. But yeah, I just thought this was great to have. Either if you want to put in your pantry, it's still a great aesthetic. Leave it on your counter, it's a great aesthetic. So yeah, that's definitely good, especially for like sugar and stuff, because you know it's a lot having to roll the bag and hoping nothing gets in it. So yeah, that's pretty much all the things I picked up. I did pick up a few like smaller things, but like just like a trash can and like a sign, but you can get that from any local decor store. So yeah, those are definitely some of the like necessities I feel like anybody who's moving into an apartment must have, or even if you just want to upgrade some of the stuff you already have. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a little different, but I think it's great because I'm about to start a moving series anyways, so add this one to the list, okay? And like I said, I will link everything below. If it's something that I didn't link, please just leave a comment and let me know, and I will try to find either the exact link or something similar to that item. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please do not forget, baby, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you all.